Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 to the whole holi photo shoot, and this is how I am going to give you a whole tutorial on editing and nearly everything except telling you what presets I use. And yeah, so this is the whole picture vibe which I actually want to create. I like how the other picture has a very good color and the whole hair thing, so I'm going to use this hair flip from this picture and even the color from this picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. Now you have this whole option of cutout, so I'm using the cutout and I'm making sure that I select only the part I want using the whole eraser and restore tool. You'll see me do this again in many objects as well. So this is what I did, and I have pasted a whole hair which I actually didn't have in this picture, but okay, you know, the power of editing, and I would surely recommend you guys to start using these Picsart, Lightroom, and maybe Snapseed also, even that's a great app. So I'm trying to create something which I think would look great, but then I didn't like it that much, but you'll see me create these. And this is how I am trying it. Everything comes with a trial a trial and error actually. Okay, so I'll try this at least 6 times, then I'll pass for 2 times maybe. And every time you try, the outcome is new. You can't recreate the same picture. So many pictures I have created, I don't have recordings of their editorial. And even if I sit and record the editorial that okay, I used this app, I used this picture, still I cannot create the same while I only did the editing. So I hope you understand, and make sure that you have a very good mood when you're sitting and be creative and start doing it instead of waiting. So I've used another picture. I think that didn't work for me as I told you already. So now I'll go and use this. Now using the eraser tool, I'll erase it and I'll take the only part which I actually want. So I think this is good, and I'm selecting it. I hope you can see the hardness and size, and this is how I've done this. Now I like how pretty it's looking right now, but I don't want some objects, so I'll show you how to remove objects also. And I'm changing the angle as I want it to be, but I see some parts, so I go to the layers, and from layers there is another button, that's the erase one. So I'm using the eraser. You can just erase anything. Okay, so these are layers. Okay, so the yellow layer is on the top of blue layer. Now I'm adjusting the way it should be, maybe the angle which I want actually it should stay. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now I like it how it goes, but always give time to details. I've seen many people, they skip the details, but actually what they don't realize is details actually make your picture look pretty. If I would leave the details and like just let it go, trust me, I could have posted the same picture with just the filters, but what I did, I tried to remove other objects. So now I'm in Snapseed, that was all in Picsart. So in Snapseed I'm using a tool, it's called Heal. Okay, so I've used it on the building and the whole sheet, but I tried it here too, but it did not work well as I wanted. So what I did, I just moved back to Picsart. You'll see me do this, I know. So I go to Picsart, I add a picture with the similar background, and from that I will take a part of it. So for example, I'll take the whole green wall and just paste it there. You'll see me do that, and I tried many things, but you want the same wall and the same sunshine, so just use it, just crop it and just paste it. Nobody is going to look at it that you have pasted it, but if you don't paste it there, then somebody will surely look. Okay, also this tutorial was actually 50 minutes long, the whole recording actually, so I had to cut it short so that for everyone it's very easy to just watch this. And yeah, so I'm pasting a part of this, but I didn't like how it was looking there, so I'll crop it again. You'll see the whole dot kind of structure coming wherever I'm tapping on my screen. This is the feature of my screen recording, so I hope it's easy for you to understand what I'm touching and where I'm touching. It's very easy for you to see where I have been moving my cursor. This is all in phone. Trust me, you can do everything in your phone today, and that is it. So I have used this and we have it. I'm trying to work for the green wall so that it looks just perfect and nobody gets to know that there was something lying there and that was edited highly. So I'm trying the eraser tool, I'm switching between opacity, but make sure when you do this you are clicking on the object which you want to edit. So for example, if I want to edit something on the green wall which I have pasted, I have to select it first. Okay, so don't forget to do that. Initially when I was doing this, I was like oh my god, what's going wrong with me? I cannot do this, but over time I have learned it now, and I think I have created very good edits which I would have never created. So just start it and start creating. So right now I got a wall and the whole edit is ready. I have made copies using the duplicate. It's in the layers above, and from there I'll use some parts and keep editing, but okay, that didn't work. So just keep trying. It's like a process, and now I'm doing it like I wanted to be focusing on me and not on the whole ground and mainly sky. So I make sure that I am in the middle part. You see the grid, so make sure that your object is middle and like wherever you want to focus. And I have used my own presets, and here it is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.